Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is my face without makeup. And like you know from the title, today I'm gonna tell you what is my last minute makeup routine because we're always late and this look doesn't take more than 4 to 5 minutes. So please hang on and keep on watching. So I'm gonna start by quickly tying my hair and getting all that hair away from the face, and that is literally the first step. I hate when my hair comes in the way. So next I'm going to start with my eyebrows, which is the most important step for me. This is the Makeup Revolution palette that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use this shade, which is not exactly dark black. And I'm going to take a tapered brush, which is basically an eyeshadow brush, but I really like to use this in the last minute when I have to just quickly do my brows and I don't have time to precisely do it. And this is what I'm doing it roughly, just filling my brows. So for me, brows are the most important part, but if you think there's something else that you need to highlight, you can go ahead with that. So you can clearly see the difference between the two brows. This one looks so much better. And now I'm going to do the other brow as well. Once I'm happy with the brows, I move on to the face. For the face, literally जो भी हाथ में आ जाता है जल्दी से I take that. Cream, primer, gel, कुछ भी. But अभी I'm using this serum by Ilana Organics. I'm just taking like 1 or 2 drops of it and nicely massaging it on my face. The whole purpose of this is to ensure a very smooth base makeup application. और मैंने अच्छे से फेस पे लगा लिया है. And now I'm going to use my foundation, which is L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Golden Beige. Taking half a pump of it, very little. I don't want to mess my foundation up when I'm getting late, so I start with very little, mix it up, and then apply it on my face. I do not use a beauty blender, sponge, or even my fingers because I feel the brush, like the makeup foundation brush, is literally the best way to apply the foundation for me, because when I'm getting late I want a sheer coverage but also a little bit of coverage. Like this basically is like the perfect way to do a foundation, when especially when I'm late, and even when I'm not, I really basically like foundation brushes. So going underneath my eyes and on my neck as well, because hello, we don't have time for concealer. So I'm just going under my eye with the foundation and then applying some compact so that we avoid creasing. Also going on and around my mouth basically, so that there's no creasing. Taking this magical blending brush for eyeshadow, I take the same palette and take any brown color जो भी जल्दी से फटाफट मुझे करना होता है basically, and go on the crease and just nicely blend it. And that's what I do for both the eyes. Just take the brown shade or any darker shade and apply it on my crease and nicely blend it. That's literally the only thing that I do for my eyes. So I'm blending it here, and I think this is the only eyeshadow brush that I reach out for when I'm getting late. और बाकी जितने भी brushes हैं वो तो रखे ही रहते हैं literally. And with whatever is left, I'm going under my eyes and also contouring my nose. Not contouring my face, बस जो brush पे बचा था उसी से nose contour कर लिया. Then I'm going to go ahead with the blush, and I went crazy with the blush here, okay? But इतना blush तो मैं नहीं ही लगाती हूँ. I will fix this up. That side was a little too much, so I took the foundation brush and nicely blended it in my skin so that it looks natural. Then I take the highlighter or the highlighter shade from the eyeshadow palette on my fingers, and literally I apply this shade with my fingers everywhere. Bridge of my nose, cheekbones, eyebrow bone, chin, cupid's bow, wherever you want to highlight, inner corners, yeah. And also over my lid, because हमने crease पे तो brown shade लगा लिया था, lid पे भी quickly I apply this so that the eye makeup looks a little complete. And then I'm going to take this tapered brush again and take the same shade जिससे मैंने eyebrows की थी, and I apply it as an eyeliner because eyeliner के लिए time नहीं है. Now I'm going to quickly curl my lashes and do my mascara, and then apply a makeup fixer, like take a quick little shower in my makeup fixer. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है मेकअप फिक्सर, बिकॉज कितना भी मेकअप किया हो कम या ज़्यादा, यू नीड टू फिक्स इट अप, स्पेशली बिकॉज आई हैव अप्लाइड पाउडर प्रोडक्ट्स. Then I'm gonna take this lipstick by Smashbox. This lipstick is in the shade Stepping Out, which is a very pretty nude color, and I really like it. The only lipstick that I reach out for when I'm super late. For my hair, I just do like a middle partition and finger comb my hair mostly, or then tie it up. And this is what the look looks like, which is super basic. इतना जल्दी किया है कि it doesn't even look like proper makeup, but it does look very presentable and super nice. You can wear it everywhere. And with those earrings, this look is done. I hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Bye bye. See you next time.